1V0-31.21 Associate VMware Cloud Management and Automation exam is for the VMware Certified Technical Associate, Cloud Management and Automation 2022, VCTA-CMA 2022, certification. New 1V0-31.21 Dumps questions of DumpsBase are available to help you pass VMware Certification 1V0-31.21 exam easily. VMware Certification 1V0-31.21 Dumps questions of DumpsBase are updated regularly and are aligned with the current syllabus of the VMware 1V0-31.21 Associate VMware Cloud Management and Automation Certification exam. If you're serious about getting your VMware VCTA-CMA 2022 certification, grab DumpsBase 1V0-31.21 Dumps questions, which will improve your understanding of current 1V0-31.21 exam topics. With DumpsBase 1V0-31.21 Dumps, you can pass your 1V0-31.21 exam on the first try. This video shares free 1V0-31.21 Dumps questions as the demo for checking. Question number 1. Which component is a prerequisite for using vRealize Log Insight Cloud to receive log events from data sources in a private data center? A. Log Insight Agent, B. Cloud Proxy, C. Cloud Extensibility Proxy, D. Orchestrator. Answer B. Question number 2. An administrator wants to assign a role to a new Active Directory group so that users can request services from the service catalog. Which action should the administrator take to achieve this goal? A. From the Identity and Access Management tab in vRealize Automation, assign the group the Service Broker user role only. B. From the Identity and Access Management tab in vRealize Automation, assign the group the Service Broker user and organization member roles. C. From the Identity and Access Management tab in Workspace ONE Access, assign the group the Service Broker user role only. D. From the Identity and Access Management tab in Workspace ONE Access, assign the group the Service Broker user and organization member roles. Answer C. Question number 3. Which is the valid use case for vRealize Automation? A. Multi-cloud deployment with governance. B. Providing the compute layer for Kubernetes. C. Infrastructure and application monitoring. D. Central repository for Perl scripts. Answer A. Question number 4. Which on-premises vRealize operations component allows visibility into the entire federated environment through a unified view across all on-premises vRealize operations deployments? A. vRealize Operations Aggregator Management Pack. B. vRealize Multi-Node Management Pack. C. vRealize Remote Collector. D. vRealize Cloud Federated Analytics. Answer D. Question number 5. Which two capabilities does vRealize Automation offer? Choose two. A. Multi-cloud automation with governance. B. App-aware intelligent remediation. C. Multi-cloud cost reporting. D. Multi-cloud monitoring with alerting. E. Deliver self-service clouds. Answer. A. E. Question number 6. An administrator has been tasked with onboarding a new public cloud vendor into vRealize automation so a project can deploy resources to the public cloud. Which step should the administrator take first? A. Run on onboarding plan. B. Add a new cloud account. C. Create a new integration. D. Configure a new cloud zone. Answer. A. Question number 7. Which tool in the cloud management solution can be used to create dashboards based on the logs generated by vRealize automation? A. vRealize Orchestrator. B. vRealize Network Insight. C. vRealize Operations Manager. D. vRealize Log Insight. Answer. C. Question number 8. Which component of the VMware Cloud Management solution simplifies the deployment, upgrade, configuration, and management of vRealize suite components? A. Salt Stack Config. B. Lifecycle Manager. C. SDDC Manager. D. VMware CIM APIs. Answer. B. Question number 9. Which component is mandatory for user authentication in vRealize automation? A. Active Directory. B. OpenLDAP. C. Workspace ONE Access. D. vRealize Operations Manager. Answer. A. Question number 10. Which two roles does vRealize Operations Manager provide? Choose two. A. Breach monitoring. B. Performance monitoring. C. Network flow monitoring. D. Application monitoring. E. Log monitoring. Answer. B. D.